Muhammadu Buhari formally lies the torch of unity for Edo 2020.
I once again reiterate this administration's commitment to continue to support and provide an enabling environment for the development of sports at all levels. I therefore call on both the public and private sectors to play active roles in youth and sports development in Nigeria. We are in another Olympic year, and our athletes will be joining other nations of the world to participate in the Olympic Games, which starts on July 24th to August 9th, 2020 in Tokyo, Japan. I join all Nigerians in wishing Nigerian team best of luck at the Games, and I urge them to be good ambassadors of our country.
The Torch of Unity for the National Sports Festival carries with it the objectives of the festival itself, chief amongst which is to symbolize unity, peace, friendship, tolerance, and hope amongst Nigerians. It is my hope that all concerned stakeholders will accord the Torch of Unity the right spotlight it deserves.
So they get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.